Hello traders. Today I will show you a strategy based on the Keltner channel indicator. Before diving in, let me kindly ask you to like the video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss upcoming content. Thanks for the support. Let's get to the strategy of the current video. I use 1-minute candles. I use 1 minute for trade duration as well. Among the indicators, I add the Keltner channels and CCI. For Keltner I use 21 EMA. ATR is 7, and multiplier is kept at 1. I set the period for CCI to 13. Choose some pairs with decent payouts. And let's look for a setup. Here a big red candle is about to close outside of the channels for a long time. If that happens, and the CCI will be around the lower line, around -100, I will place a bet in the downward direction. If you can't bear staring at the chart, feel free to take a break. The trade will play out in your absence. You can perform any analysis afterwards. This is a perfect time to press the like button and subscribing to my channel. It's just a few clicks for you, but helps and means a lot to me. My first trade won. It was a very nice move. Let's look for another setup. This looks promising. Let's wait a bit. Remember, patience is one of the most important skills in trading. Similarly here, a bearish candle is about to close outside of the channel. CCI is around -100. If these conditions are still met at the close of the candle, I will place a bet in the downward direction. Feel free to ask any further questions in the comment section. Comments of members will be answered in priority. This was a smaller move, but as you know, unlike traditional forex trading, for binary options the size of the move doesn't matter, just the direction. And finally, we have an example for the upward direction as well. Bullish candle is about to close above the Keltner channel, and CCI is around 100. Let's wait for the candle to close for full confirmation, then place the bet. It flipped down, but as you are aware, we only care about the price at the end of the trade duration, and it has plenty of time still to flip back and continue the upward move. Do not forget to check payout levels regularly, as those might decrease over time and different pairs come up. While waiting here, press the like button if you enjoyed the video, and consider subscribing if you like my content in general. Do not forget to select all notifications. Really just a few clicks for you, but helps and means a lot to me. Remember, you should practice on demo balance before investing real money until you are confident with the strategy of your choice. Check out my other videos as well to find the strategy that works the best for you.